It's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Tonight's just a real quick one. This is a 6-inch tile, and what I'm going to be doing is preparing for a larger piece, hopefully to have a pastoral scene, so in spring colors. So at least this is my practice. This is how I discover the palettes that I like to have, if the color's going to go well together, if I can get the flow that I want when I do it. So it's important that I do the practice session beforehand. This tile came out extremely well. This is Titanium Buff by Amsterdam. I figured I'd share it with you. This is Pearlescent White by Firedots. This started out as a dry pigment. Bloop there, got out of there easy. This is Pearnite, which is Pre-Night, excuse me. That's a TLP, this little Piggy pigment. This is a chameleon color that's brand new to my box. And it's basically a bronze, and there's a second one that's more of a gold. So they have multifaceted colors and schemes. So it's in the description below. Okay, I'm going to swipe this with titanium white and oxide black cell activators, and I think I might have added just a little bit of boom gel Willy Wagtail black for a cell assistance. Basically, it helps with the cell formations. Get my coverage. Now I'm going to do some scooping and dragging. Try to control the flow. Now this painting is rather linear for me. I'm going to do the larger piece. It won't be as linear as this one tend to be. I don't generally like to work in straight lines. Okay, spin it out, get total coverage. Once I have the coverage right, then we'll be ready for a flyover. Getting close. Okay, notice that the cells really did stretch nicely here, and I'm really actually very happy with the way this small piece turned out. So next step is to find some more subtle colors to go as a sky.
Thank you for being here today. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's absolutely free, and it really does help.
Thanks for being here tonight, and I hope I see you soon. Bye now.